This is Rick Pedley, and welcome to PK Safety. Today we're going to be looking at a Honeywell replacement hydrogen sulfide sensor, the SR-H-MC. This little guy comes in our XT and MCXL instruments. Very popular, super small, easy to replace. When you get it in the instrument, it's warranted for 2 years. We usually have people getting quite a bit longer, so 3 or more years, depending on the environment that it gets used in. Inexpensive, easy to replace, and long-lived. They're quite stable, as you see, quite small. They come sealed, a little package like this, so they're going to be away from the elements and whatnot, so that you won't have to worry about them getting dirty or contaminated. We keep these on the shelf, sell a ton of them because we have just tens of thousands of instruments out there, and over time these will get replaced. The instruments are durable enough that replacing the sensors is a perfectly good thing to do. So if you have any questions about this sensor or any of the others we sell, please give us a call or visit us online at pksafety.com. Thank you.